This tutorial is going to show you how to add your calendar in Google Classroom to your Blackboard so your parents can see. The first thing you need to do is open up your Google Classroom, and in here you have your stream, your classwork, and the people. It will show you what students are in your class. And as you post material or questions or assignments, if they have a due date, they will be added to your calendar. Every classroom has a calendar. To see the calendar, click on Classwork and click on the calendar icon. This will take you to the calendar for your classroom, and you can see all of my assignment dates are listed here. This is a huge benefit for parents who cannot see what's going on in classroom, because at the very least they can see when you have posted due dates on assignments and questions. The next thing that we want to do is share this calendar. And so on the left hand side with calendar, when you scroll down, it may have a couple calendars, it may have a ton of calendars. Anytime you're a member of a classroom in Google, a Google Classroom, that calendar is automatically added to your list of calendars. And so you may want to uncheck ones so you don't have to, so you can hide some. If you want to remove a calendar, you can just click on the three dots and you can say hide from my list. But in this case, we're going to come down and find my sample class calendar. And next to my sample class calendar, there's three dots. And so here I want to click on the three dots. And then I want to click on settings and sharing. And so just to recap, I came down to my class, clicked on the three dots, and went to settings and sharing. From here, you want to share your calendar, and actually you can just continue to scroll down, and you just want to make sure your calendar is available to the public. So click on make available to public, and they're going to warn you, are you sure? But we have to do this in order for our parents to see it. So I'm going to hit OK. The next thing we want to do is make our calendar, we've made it public, now we want to share it with a shareable link. So I can get a shareable link, and then I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to come over here to Blackboard. I'm going to click on my class. I'm going to say create a web link. I'm going to call this Google Classroom Calendar. I'm going to paste the link. I'm going to make sure it's available, and I'm going to hit submit. And now I have a new link on my Blackboard page that's going to take me to my Google Classroom calendar, and we made it public so everybody can see it. If you are an advanced user, you can find the embed code of your calendar and embed it in a page directly into Google and directly into Blackboard. And that is all you have to do. This is the end of the lesson.